Hello everyone, it's me, Yulitom, and we're back to another video. And today we're with Aryo.
No,
Yeah.
very good. And for you.
Today we're playing the FNAF co-op game.
What did I play?
Hisam, are you there?
No, I'm not here.
Okay, let's continue the game.
Can you
Last
hear
time,
me? Can you hear me?
it, his,
Can
uh,
you
Hisam, try to
hear
rejoin. Try to rejoin. Your mic is kinda buggy. Your mic is
what?
kinda buggy.
Okay,
Try, try to rejoin the
okay.
call. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, your mic is much better now. Okay, let's do this. Are you here in my server?
No, I'm not in your server yet.
Okay, let's play now. Let's play now. I'm gonna put friends only.
Okay,
Join my game.
okay.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
no,
Like literally, yeah.
no. Why should I join your game?
Come on, just join.
What can I get when I join your game?
What can you get when you join my game? I don't know. You can get money. Yeah, you can get money.
Any friends there before? What's this?
Let's start.
Level non de level it
So,
hachi level hachi level yeah.
so we already played this game, so we are kind of a pro now. We have a strategy. We know what
No,
to
yeah,
do.
I am, but you not.
Nah, I'm the one better. I'm better. I'm
No,
better.
no,
Let's do night 5. Are you
no,
ready?
no.
Are you ready, kids? Let's just start.
No.
I started the game.
Okay, can you hear
What?
me? Can you hear me, you wanker?
How dare you say that to me?
Ang cringe nun Yuli, huwag na lang ako mag-ano, bahala dyan.
Sige, Pards.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you, because you're being kind of weird.
So for today's video, wow! The watch is 30% off. What is this for? I don't know. Do I buy it? Yes,
I think you meant should I? Should I buy
I bought it. You can't do anything about it.
it? Yeah,
Hey,
I can.
why are you leaving me? Stop leaving me, boy.
Trap. Where should I place the trap?
You should wait. You should place it here because Freddy is right here. Freddy is when Freddy is
Here?
there. Yeah. Freddy is there, right there, yeah. Ah! Ay.
Right there.
Freddy will attack if he's here. Yeah.
I have 108% of power.
Wow, you bought a lot, man. You're rich.
They already left. They all left.
Boy, look over here. You look to the left and I look to the right. Ay,
Yeah, they
Foxy,
already left.
Foxy. Watch over Foxy, boy. We forgot about Oh my goodness, I just saw Kentucky Fried Chicken walk down the hall.
They already left. All of them, even Friday.
Wait, look at Foxy. Foxy is dangerous, man.
He's not there.
Foxy is still dangerous, boy. We need to look. Look in the camera every 5 seconds, boy. Because if not, Foxy is going to go out.
Okay, because he's such a. Oh my god.
Where? What
Oh,
happened? What happened? What happened? Oh,
a
damn. Bunny
Bobby.
is there. Bunny is there. You... Okay, never mind. Okay. Oh my goodness, Kentucky is right here, bro. Why you close the door?
Because
Bunny
he's
is still...
missing.
Look, Bunny is not yet attacking.
How will I know if he's attacking?
When you open the light, he will be in this window right here if he's attacking.
The chicken is coming.
Wait, I can see the window. I will tell you if to close the door. I will tell you if you close the door. Ah! Kentucky is right beside me, boy. Kentucky run
No,
away. Kentucky run away. Chica run away. Boy, I will
Mr.
tell you if Bunny is attacking. Don't worry. Check Foxy, check Foxy. Oh no, Foxy
Okay.
is in first form, first form.
Oh no no no. This?
Oh my
Oh
goodness,
sorry.
he's right there. Oh no. Close the light, close the light. He will not go away if you open the light.
So this. How should I call it?
Oh my goodness, he's still right there.
Where's where's the chicken?
The chicken ran
I want.
away.
Why did the
Why?
chicken cross the road? Oh no, Fox is out. He's out.
Oh! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, we need to watch out. When Foxy is gone, close the door! When the Foxy is gone. When Fox is gone.
He's such a
Okay.
pick me.
The Fox is gone! The Fox is gone! The Fox is gone! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no, Foxy! Ah! Oh damn.
That's Foxy. Oh,
Bunny is
here.
here, Bunny is here, Bunny is here. Look on your window. Oh no! Freddy is here! Oh no, what do we do?
There's a trap. Don't
Chica, chica,
worry.
chica, chica!
That's it. That's it. Who's Chica?
Where is Freddy? I don't see. There is Freddy. Boy! Close the light, we're wasting power. We're wasting power. Oh my goodness! Ah! Oh! I forgot about Foxy. Oh my goodness. Damn.
You're not consistent. Okay, I'll be the one to check on Foxy.
Okay, fine. I keep forgetting checking on Foxy. I'm sorry, bro.
Don't worry, I'll just check on Foxy.
You check on Foxy, I will check on Freddy. Freddy.
Okay.
You check on Foxy every 5 seconds. I'm gonna buy ano. I'm gonna buy. Boy. Come back. Look at this. We can be a janitor. Clean up the mess, collect extra fast cards, but watch your back as the janitor every step with dust. Oh damn.
No,
Did you buy the janitor?
no,
Okay.
didn't buy the channel. Why
Why
should I buy the?
why you left me? You left me in here to die. Check on Foxy,
Okay.
check on Foxy, check on
What?
Foxy.
Already
Bunny,
left.
Bunny is on the move, Bunny is on the move.
You know.
Chica is on the move, Chica is on the move. Look at Foxy, look at Foxy.
Santa.
Freddy!
Santa.
Freddy is on the move, Freddy is on the move.
Santa.
I'm in the front. I'm looking at them right now. Hello.
Okay.
Look at Foxy boy. Okay, Foxy, safe.
Okay, I'll just consider look at Foxy.
Damn, you kinda wasted the money for the bear trap, man. We forgot about Foxy.
Yeah, you told me to waste the bear track.
Why? Look at on your side. Don't look at mine. I know I'm looking at my side. Don't look at my side.
And Foxy is still not out. Oh,
That is how many laugh did Freddy laugh? How many times?
I didn't hear that.
I think it was 2 times, so there is 5 left. 7 laugh before he got us, I think.
Oh no, this this dog woman is here. Bobby.
Bonnie?
Bobby.
Bonnie? What?
Yeah, Bonnie. May mainit.
Bonnie is not there.
Ah, wala na. Oh, she's, oh my god.
Freddy move. I heard
Uh,
Freddy.
Foxy is on his first form.
Oh no, oh no. We forgot to watch Foxy. Oh my goodness. Look at Bunny boy. Is it Bunny? Is Bunny still there?
No, I think she hid in the toilet or something.
Ah, in the janitor closet. Okay, Foxy is still on first form. Watch out. Chica is here. Right in front of me. Chica's on the move. The chicken is on the move. The chicken is on the move. The chicken is running back again.
Looking at me.
Boy, look at Foxy. Okay, Foxy is safe. Okay.
No, 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 there's two. Oh, look at Bonnie.
Oh my goodness, Bunny is close. Watch out for the bunny. Oh no! Freddy is so close.
Foxy is in his second
Oh
phase.
my goodness! Oh my goodness, we're cooked. Foxy is already on the last phase. Oh no. One more move and we're cooked. Okay, watch out for Foxy. Stay close to the door. Stay close to the door. Stay close to the door. If Foxy is gone, I will tell you to... What happened?
Hey,
Why you die?
Bonnie killed me.
How did Bunny kill you? Ah! Okay, let's restart again.
Yeah.
Okay, we will beat this night. I promise you guys.
Oh my god, look at this.
What happened?
Didn't you look? Look, look, look. Oh my god, you pussy! You
What?
pussy!
Why you saying
There,
that?
pussy, like I mean, a cat. What's
Ah,
wrong with
okay.
that pussy?
If you say the
There's a
bad if you say the bad word, I will blur that out.
I just not saying the bad word.
Don't say a bad word.
I was saying not 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 the
Yo, bro,
thingy.
is the perks here permanent? Oh my goodness! Why you left me, bro?
Huh?
Why did you leave me?
Mag-off ba yun yung light kung magpunta ako dito?
Pards, ba't mo ko iniwanan?
Oh no, nandiyan na si Bonnie.
Okay, let's do this, bro. Let's do this.
Kapag ba Yuli pumasok ako dito, magmamatay yung ilaw.
Oh, mamamatay na, Pards. Iniwanan mo ako.
No. Foxy is in his first stage, I think.
Okay, first form Foxy. We're definitely cooked, but we're safe. Freddy move. We're beating this game, bro. We're beating this game. We're absolutely beating this game.
Don't worry, I just monitor the Foxy.
By the way, how did you die?
Bonnie, because of Bonnie. Oh no, she's on the move. She's on the move.
Be careful, don't die again, bro.
No, she's on the move.
Freddy move again. He laughed. Foxy is still there. Okay, we're safe. We're safe to Foxy. 1 a.m., 1 a.m. We're already at 80%.
How many seconds?
Oh my goodness, close the door. Oh my goodness.
Oh, she's gone.
Bunny is gone.
Yeah.
Chica is here.
Okay, Foxy is in his first form. Okay, in
Okay.
his first. Don't worry, I'll just look at
Boy, no, 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 no. Chica, what? Chica was right beside you, bro. You almost died.
boom.
Oh no, Foxy, last form. Foxy is on the
What?
last form. We're cooked. We're cooked. I forgot to watch the camera, man.
But I was always looking at the camera.
How did Foxy get out? Close the door! Isam!
Oh no. Why?
Foxy's out.
No, it's not.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, never mind. I accidentally go to a different camera. Freddy's here, Freddy is here, Freddy is here. Should I close the door or should I wait 5 more seconds?
Bunny is Bunny.
Freddy is unpredictable. I don't know how to predict Freddy when he's going to laugh or not.
Bunny is on the back of the office.
You check on Bunny, I check. Oh, close the door, close the door! Oh my goodness. Freddy's gone. Wait. Okay, Foxy is still there.
Don't worry, I'm looking at Foxy.
44%, 44%, 3 a.m., 3 a.m. We can do this.
You know, I think we can't.
Come on, believe in ourselves. Believe in yourself. We can do this.
Yeah, we can. I think. Oh no, bunnies. Bunny.
Come on,
Yeah.
come on, come on. 4 a.m., 4 a.m. Please, please, please.
Not bad.
Come on. Don't use the camera often. I am the one who's going to use the camera. Close!
What's the door?
Is Bunny gone? He's gone.
Is it? Oh no! Foxy! Foxy, close the door, close the door, close the door.
Oh no! Don't close this. Foxy only comes to the left.
Oh no!
Don't
Foxy.
Oh man, that sucks. 1% gone. It's gone. Oh, it's gone. Watch the camera, bro. Watch the camera. Watch the camera. Chica is here. The chicken is here. And the Freddy is here. It's literally 4 a.m. with 24%. Chica is gone. Chica is gone.
So where's Foxy?
Come on, come on. Just don't use the camera. I'm the one who's going to use. Just look down the door. Oh my goodness. Freddy is here. Freddy is here. Should I close the door? Should I close the door? Let's wait 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Foxy.
Okay, I'm... Oh my goodness! Foxy is almost out again.
So bro, I'll just look at Foxy.
Freddy's gone. Freddy's gone. Oy, come on. Foxy, please. Foxy, please. Don't leave us hanging, please. Is Bunny there? Come on, 4 a.m. 10%! We're cooked! Why you close the door? Is Bunny there? Oh, yep. Hi. Come on! 7%! Oh, we're not going to do this, bro. We can't do this. We're cooked.
God.
I'm closing the door just in case. I can't predict Freddy. And we're cooked. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. Freddy's. Oh no. Sam, believe in ourselves. Believe in ourselves.
Si Foxy yung papatay.
Oh no. Freddy. Freddy.
Ano? Hindi ko pa alam kay sir, wala siyang sinabi. Who's that?
That's Freddy. We're cooked.
Hindi pa sinabi.
Wala nga ba siya mas
Meron.
oras?
Ewan ko nga, di pa nga sinabi nga.
Sabi niya.
Kaya nga, tinatanong, di pa sinasabi ni sir. Kanina pa sinachat. Kanina pa sinachat yung mga classmate ko.
Ah! That scared me. Oh my goodness.
Tension. Freddy lurks in the shadows, growing closer and closer.
Oh! We can use the camera to slow his movements. I did not know that. Oh my goodness.
Okay. Let's slow him down. Wait, it's gonna be fast though.
Hisam, you're the one who's going to watch Foxy. I'm going to watch Freddy. Okay? Okay. Do you understand? I'm going to buy extra power pens. Percentage. Okay.
Ano yung-
But
Janitor, maganda ba yung janitor?
wala, kailangan mo lumabas pag gagamitin mo yung janitor.
Patay na ako.
Pag lumabas ka, papatayin ka syempre. Bye-bye!
Hindi, no. Sama mo, bahala dyan.
I got my revenge for you doing that, Darren.
Pag mamatay kita, patayin kita.
I don't care.
Akala ko kasi Yuli, diretso siya namamatay, kaya iniiwanan kita, baka mamatay ka agad.
O, Isam, ano?
Kapag ba pumupunta lang, pag pumupunta lang dito, doon lang mamamatay.
I will watch Freddy. You will watch Foxy.
Yuli, pag ba pumupunta lang dito, doon lang mamamatay.
Pag ginawakan mo yung animatronic, mamamatay ka.
Hindi,
Isa?
na.
Check Foxy.
Hindi ako masabi sa English. Sige na, di na marunong mag-English. Di na marunong.
Wala na, mag-i-English pa rin ako, boy. Mano-nosebleed ka.
Speak English, what do you mean?
I'm speaking English right now. You can't make me speak Tagalog. Oh no, I forgot to watch Freddy.
Don't worry, I just checked it.
Where's Freddy? What camera? What camera?
I don't know. I don't know.
What camera? What camera is Freddy? I need to find Freddy or Freddy will laugh again.
Oh my god, this bitch is looking at me.
Come on, we can do this. I just bought extra power, bro.
Literally dead in the eyes.
Chica's here. What's Foxy, bro? What's Foxy?
Yeah, I'm looking at Foxy.
Okay. Look at Bunny as well. Don't use the camera to look for Bunny. Just look at the outside.
And I can hear the thingy.
Boss, watch Foxy every time you come in the office, bro. Just go out the office and go back in and watch Foxy. That's the plan right here, bro.
I know.
That's our plan. Go out the office, come back. Go out the office, come back, and look at the camera. That's what we do.
Bro,
That's what we do.
Bonnie might kill me. All
No.
this.
You will know if Bunny will kill you if he's running towards you.
Is it he or she?
It's a he. Chica is the only she here.
Ooh. His name sounds like a woman. Woman. His name sounds
Chica
like
is
a
right
woman.
here.
Oh, bro, look at this Foxy.
Look at Foxy,
What the-
bro. Don't forget.
What does the fox say?
Ding, 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 ding.
Don't worry, I'm monitoring Foxy. Cause it's a fox. Get it?
Yeah, I get your joke. I always get your joke. Don't worry.
Oh my god.
I always know your joke.
Give the speed. She's still looking. Oh. Oh, she's still looking.
Don't use the lights. Wait for her to go away.
How
Look
will
at
I know?
Foxy. Look at Foxy. Look at Foxy.
Not looking at Foxy.
Okay. I thought you forgot to look at Foxy.
I'm always watching Foxy.
Okay. Watch Foxy every time. Don't forget to press the damn camera. Okay, let's do this, bro. We can do this.
Oh, Bonnie. Bonnie is
Bro, we
here.
can do this. We can do this. We can do this.
Bonnie is here. Oh my god. Bonnie. Oh,
Are you doing okay?
I thought Bonnie was going to attack. So I closed the door.
Look at Foxy,
How
bro.
I
Don't
know?
forget. Next one. We're doing a great job watching Foxy and Freddy.
This bitch. Bruh. Bunny's trolling.
Yeah, also the chicken is trolling. She keeps coming back and going away. What is this?
Bunny's trolling.
We're at 45%.
She thought she's slick. He thought she's. Oh no, this.
Oh no, bro. Bro, look at Foxy, look at Foxy.
I'm always looking at Foxy.
Okay, okay.
I'm always looking at Foxy.
Chica's in the kitchen. She's cooking something.
Oh, she's cooking her own kind. That
Ah, what do
cannibal.
you mean? Chica is not a Kabulisian?
She's a cannibal.
Nah,
You never,
the chicken is vegetarian. I know.
you never know the people around you.
I know that chicken is a vegetarian. She doesn't like eat her own kind.
No, she eats her own kind.
Nah,
Believe me.
she
Believe
doesn't.
me, I've seen chickens eating Kentucky Fried Chicken like so many times on TikTok.
What about
And
you?
even
Aren't you a vegetarian?
sometimes,
Do you
but
what kinds of vegetarian food do you eat?
I love um I love to eat fish. That
Fish?
bitch.
That's vegetarian?
Yeah.
Isn't like fish also an animal?
I know, but it's considered vegetarian, so maybe like salmon or like being vegetarian is different from vegan.
Ah, oh, vegetarian and vegan is not the same thing?
Yeah,
Oh, I thought it was
vegan
the same
or
thing.
vegan is more of a process than being a vegetarian is more of a lifestyle.
Ah, vegan
You get what?
doesn't like killing animals.
Yeah, vegans don't like killing animals, so like they protest.
But vegetarian only eats vegetables. What?
Chicken form Foxy.
Oh no, what have you done? You forgot to look at Foxy.
I was always Foxy.
Oh, what time is it? It's 5 a.m. We can do this, bro. We can do this. Damn, Bunny is the most aggressive one of them.
Bunny? Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Bunny is always attacking. The chicken is always trolling.
Bro, this freaking freaking guitarist in the sky.
Want to see something menacingly?
Oh yeah.
Let's go! We beat it! Oh my goodness.
I voted. Wala, easy lang.
Ang dali. Ay,
Ako lang
Isam. Appear. Appear.
mga
Ba't bawal pa natin kunin to?
Kasi daw, doon ka daw pwede masama ka.
Aba, parang hindi lang ikaw yung masama dito ah.
Kaya lang, siguro Yuli sa tingin ko yung sa tingin ko, para lang yan sa chef role. May chef role ba?
Ay, iniwanan talaga ako. Sama. Ha?
Yeah,
Yay!
job.
We beat the game! Oh my goodness.
Kailan to yung ano yung date nito? 11, 12, 11 yun.
It's
Ito.
it's December 12.
Hindi naman December 12.
Huh?
Easy lang.
There's a next night? Well, that's it everyone. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy the video. And we beat night 5. Isam, what do you have to say for yourself?
Ako lang yung enjoy nila.
Huh? What do you say?
Ako lang enjoy nila.
Well, guys, that's
Hindi pa tapos. Ibigay mo sa akin ng spotlight. Guys.
yeah.
Uwe. Wait lang, di pa ako tapos.
Come on, speak up.
Really molested me as a child.
Huh? No.
He's a child.
No, that's not true, bro.
He's a child predator.
Nah, you're a guy. I will. No.
He
Okay,
is a
guys,
child.
that's the end of the video. Don't mind him. Yeah, and
Predator.
always make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more with my friend Hisam. Yeah, make sure to comment down below and tell us what to play next. Bye bye. Yeah, don't mind him. That's all of his saying
Yeah.
is not true. Don't listen
No.
to Hisam. Don't listen to Hisam. He's a faker. Yeah, goodbye
Um,
guys.